Hollywood laughed at AI filmmaking, but that was before Kling AI 1.6 came along. I used Kling AI's new model 1.6 for turning popular images into videos, like this popular Hollywood movie Avatar, and also tested a few prompts with other movies like Mad Max. Here's where Kling 1.6 really shines. Image to video. I tested it, and the results were stunning. The details, the movements, the overall output, it's clear that Kling AI is raising the bar. Kling AI 1.5 had its moments, but honestly, it lagged behind competitors like Runway ML and Luma Dream Machine. Failed prompts and slow render times were common. But 1.6? Oh boy, it's a different beast. With a reported 195% improvement in prompt adherence and quality, this update is setting new benchmarks. So, what do you think? Is Kling AI 1.6 the future of filmmaking? From this community tab, you can see how high quality the generated videos are. Yes, and guess what? Kling AI also gives you free credits monthly for generating your videos. Let's go ahead and test out this AI video over here. Now we are going to explore the image to video and text to video options. The model here is the new model 1.6. which is currently the best model for generating higher quality AI videos. First, you need to type in your prompt. To generate your video, you need an effective prompt that can give you a high accuracy outcome. Using the new model 1.6 for an effective Kling AI prompt, you need to follow this formula: subject plus description, plus action, plus scene, plus technical details. Make sure your descriptions are clear and concise, focusing on a single action suitable for a 5 to 10 second video. Also ensure that you specify camera angles and lighting when needed. This will help you generate a high quality video using this prompt guide. In this video, we are going to focus on image to video for AI filmmaking, and we will use popular Hollywood movies like this Avatar image that I transformed into a vibrant video using Kling AI. We are going to ask ChatGPT to give us scenes to generate our videos, but with that, we will also test Kling AI with different options to assess its video generation capabilities in filmmaking. Here are some popular genres we will use. We will start with science fiction and fantasy. Under sci-fi fantasy, we have Avatar, The Matrix, and Inception. For action, we have Mad Max, Fury Road, and The Dark Knight. Next is drama and thriller, followed by comedy or adventure. With that being said, let's go ahead and generate our AI video using option 1, known for stunning visuals and CGI. So, I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt to generate the scene for the Avatar video. Don't forget that Kling AI requires a specific prompt to follow specific instructions, description, action, and all that. So, I'll copy this and ask GPT to make sure the prompt follows this guide. I'll hit the enter button. So, GPT has given us about 10 scenes to generate the video for Avatar. I'll go ahead and copy the first scene from Avatar and go to Kling AI. From the text to video option over here, we will look into the image to video section soon. That's my favorite. I'll paste it inside. The first 0.6 model has already been selected. For creativity mode, slide it to the right to make the prompts more concise, and accuracy increases. So, I'll keep it around 0.6. The mode I will go for is standard. The duration is set to 5 seconds and the aspect ratio is 16:9. Now, the camera movement is not available with the 1.6 model yet at the time of recording this video, but it has been included in the prompt already. This is a negative prompt, by the way. So, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask for a negative prompt. Here is what ChatGPT has given us. I'll copy it and paste it inside the negative prompt section. Then, I will generate the video. It is going to take a little longer, so let me skip that part. I'll go ahead and copy a different scene. All right, let's go for the fourth scene this time. Paste it, and then we'll let these settings remain the same. The first video outcome shows a high-quality video. I love the background of the video and the camera movement. However, the character looks a little bit off. But check this out. The second video actually performed very, very well. You can see how detailed the character is. The avatar's blue color is spot on. Also, the water movement, the waves, and the camera movement toward the character are really good. It shows some significant improvement in the model. I didn't expect such a high-quality video like this, but Kling AI has just given us a very good result. In fact, the background of the video is also really good, improving the overall aesthetics. The character itself, if you weren't told this is an AI-generated video, you wouldn't believe it. It looks so real. That's thumb. This is a great improvement in the model. It's excellent. All right, let's go ahead and choose the image to video option over here. We are going to use Leonardo AI to generate our image. As you can see, I have already generated some images with a prompt using Leonardo AI, and we will turn them into videos here. Now, let's quickly go to GPT and we will copy the first scene to generate our image. After adjusting the settings here, Leonardo AI also incorporates the same model as Kling AI. Then, from the image to video section over here, I'll drag and drop it into Kling AI. I'll leave the prompts optional. You can choose the start and end frames, but let me keep it like that because it's not yet available now. I'll leave the settings the same and hit the generate button. I will do the same for the other images. Since it's going to take about 3 hours to generate the video, I'll continue doing the same for the other images. As I mentioned earlier, this result is impressive. The camera seamlessly follows the characters' movements, capturing every detail as they fall into the water. What stands out even more is the level of detail in the water splash. It's dynamic and adds a layer of realism to the scene. It's incredible how Kling AI 1.6 manages to maintain such fluidity and precision in tracking the action while delivering cinematic quality visuals. And here we have the second image that was transformed into a video. And just like the first, it flawlessly follows the established pattern. The continuity is remarkable, maintaining the same dynamic flow and visual coherence. It's fascinating to see how Kling AI 1.6 ensures consistency in style and movement, making it feel like both videos belong to the same high-quality production. Check this out. With this video here, I downloaded an image from the Avatar movie directly from Google, and Kling AI turned it into a fantastic video. What's even more impressive is that there were no glitches with the character throughout the transformation. The iconic blue skin tone was perfectly preserved, staying true to the original image. Now, for the second video, I decided to experiment a bit by generating an image using different AI tools before transforming it into a video. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. Each frame is smooth, detailed, and visually stunning. Kling AI 1.6 does an incredible job of bringing still images to life no matter the source. These two videos also delivered impressive results, particularly this one, which absolutely nailed the camera angles. The precision and fluidity of the movements create a cinematic feel, making it look as if it was shot with professional equipment. Kling AI 1.6 really shines when it comes to crafting dynamic perspectives, adding depth and realism to the final output. Alright, let's go for the second genre, which is action. Now we're going to use Mad Max Fury Road for that exercise. We're going to tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt to generate images for the action movie. Let's go ahead and copy the first scene and generate it so that we can use it to turn it into a video using Kling AI. We're going to generate about 2 or 3 scenes using this same method. So, the first scene is done. Let's go for the second scene. We've got our image for the action genre, which is Mad Max Fury Road. These are the stunning images that it has generated. Now, let's go ahead and download it and use it for our scene. Alright, let's dive deeper into this Mad Max style transformation. This video is a masterpiece in how it captures the raw, chaotic energy of an action-packed desert scene. From the moment the armed car appears, you're drawn into the gritty, apocalyptic atmosphere. Dust clouds kick up as the vehicles speed through the desert, creating a dramatic and dynamic backdrop that feels so lifelike. What's truly impressive is the alignment and movement of the vehicles. They're not just randomly placed. Each one is meticulously positioned, moving in sync to amplify the intensity of the scene. And then there are the soldiers on top of the vehicle, holding their guns. Their movements are smooth and precise, adding to the realism. The whole scene feels like it's ripped straight out of a Mad Max movie, and it's hard to believe this was all generated from a single image. Kling AI 1.6 has outdone itself here, turning a still image into a breathtaking sequence that captures the spirit of high-octane action cinema. If you're a creator like me, let's support each other. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps, and I'd love to hear your thoughts about Kling AI 1.6.